The DSV A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to boost their printing business with efficiency and quality. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the Amazon link to this printer in the description below. With this printer, you get a 2-year supply of ink included, meaning you won't have to worry about frequent refills. And it comes with 5 bottles of 250 ml ink and 500 g of powder, shipped every 2 months, saving you time and money. Setting up the DSV X13 is truly effortless. Thanks to its one-click electric roller system, you can load DTF films and start printing in seconds without manual adjustments. Even beginners can handle it with ease, while experienced users will love the efficiency boost. The XP600 printhead, combined with an upgraded mainboard, doubles the speed compared to traditional printers like the L1800, completing an A3 print in just 3 minutes. This means up to 10 prints per hour, perfect for handling peak orders and growing your business without downtime. Maintenance is simple and worry-free with its smart timed self-cleaning system, keeping the printhead in peak condition. The 5-inch LED touch panel makes scheduling, cleaning, and monitoring effortless. Plus, the dual alarm system alerts you to low ink levels or waste overflow, ensuring smooth printing without interruptions. The large 13-inch printing area and 2880x1440 dpi resolution deliver stunning, vibrant prints, making it ideal for bold designs, custom orders, or batch projects. While the printer is a significant investment, the speed, reliability, and included ink make it a cost-effective solution for serious DTF printing. DSV also backs it with a 6-month printhead warranty and 1-year accessory warranty, along with professional support to guide you anytime. This printer is designed to maximize productivity, minimize hassle, and elevate your print quality.